Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. One question that we get asked frequently in our Dunellen store is, are you going to be carrying cotton canvas? And now I can say that yes, we do carry cotton canvas. We brought in 12 stunning exclusive prints that I personally designed. And this is not just regular cotton canvas, it is water resistant cotton canvas. We have a polyurethane coating on it, making it water resistant. The water just beads up and rolls right off the surface, making it perfect for bag making, whether it be your exteriors or your linings. Each roll measures 18 by 57 inches, so you'll have plenty of fabric to work with. I personally designed 12 stunning exclusive prints, including several that are just right for your fall bags. We've also included polka dots, stripes, and geometric prints because you've been asking for those too. And be sure to let us know in the comments which print is your favorite. We'd love to know. So just take a look at all of the gorgeous prints that we have available now on our website at sewyours.com. I'll put a link in the description box below so you can start shopping today.